How to see deleted search history on TikTok. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on the menu. After that, select Settings and Privacy. Then, go over to Activity Center. Now select Search History. Here, you can view your search history on TikTok. Now go to the top right corner and tap on Select. Select the search history you want to delete. Then tap on Delete at the bottom. Tap on Delete again to confirm. You have now deleted the search history. Now go back to the Settings and Activity page. Here, go over to Account. Then, go to Download your data. Now tap on Select File Format. Here, you can select the file format you want to download the data in. After that, go back and tap on Select Data to download. Here, you can choose the data you want to download. Select Custom. Then select Activity. This includes your likes, comments, favorites, and also your browsing history on TikTok. After that, tap on Done at the bottom. Then tap on Request Data to request a copy of your data from TikTok. This is to back up your account or export it to other services. Once your file is ready for download, you will find it in the Download Data section as shown. Following these steps, you can easily see deleted search history on TikTok.